So yo, what's up mga ka-person? O karon for today's vlog na mo karon no. Nami word karon na ihatag dayon. Ihatag na mo ang pusit ani nga word. So syempre kung kinsay makatag na makadawat gid aning mga kwartahan niyo. Nagmay ra gud pero makalingaw yapon. So sige. Let's do this.
So first word is heaven.
Allah. Heaven.
Next is entrance.
Except. Baite.
Next is private.
Public. Kuno ko.
Next is include.
Exclude.
Wow! Gayay kayo. Next is wet.
Wet girl.
5.
Dry.
Galing ha?
Ang bright. Next is health. 5, 4, 3, health. Health. 2, 1. Next is calm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kalma set. Ay, padungon dito di ay.
The next is handsome.
Ugly. Yes. Guwapo, bisan na.
Sunod kay innocent. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Innocent. Next is safe. Safe. 5, 4.
You're wrong.
Next is import. Import. 5, 4. Next is powerful. 5, 4, 3.
Useless.
1.
Bisa ka to?
Protect. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Unprotect.
1. Wrong. Next is sadness.
Happiness.
Next is buy. 5.
Bayansin. Nagtawa ka nagkurang ito. Kurang mo ako.
Next is presents. 5. Oh. Next is salt. Salt.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Sugar. Sugar. Next is finish.
Finish.
5, 4, 3,
Not yet.
2,
Not yet. Not yet.
2. Happiness. 5, 4, 3.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Next is hey. Hey. 5, 4, 3. Wrong. Next is brother.
Sister.
Next is light. Light. Next is life. 5, 4.
English ang niya.
Saya na lang, kira ba? Saya na lang. Next is hell. Hell, opposite sa hell.
Wala siya kailahil.
5, 4, 3. Heaven. Heaven. Heaven.
Or kabali ba, imperno?
Next is free. Free.
Free?
5, 4, 3.
Freedom? Free.
Arrest. Free mo siya. I-arrest siya.
Kapan begitu ay? Mas boleh omset.
Pwede mo mga arrest. Cold. Next is hard.
Hard.
5.
Soft fuller.
Easy. Hard. Hard. Easy. Hard.
Pero bakit parang galit ka?
Next is floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is deep. Deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is increase.
Guys, kaligo na.
Final na. Nalagay kita sa final
Kaya
countdown.
ko lang.
Next is student. 5, 4, Next is wedding. 5, 4, 2, 1. Divorce na lang na. Tatay man na.
Balik.
Next is freeze. Freeze. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ice bucket.
Next is answer. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Wrong.
1. Question. Next is health. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Rescue.
Criminal. 5, 4, 3.
Police.
Kita mo na ako kwarta dawa.
Yung painting.
Pinakalugi.
Pinaka-bright.
60 pesos guys.
Ako dyan eh.
So karon guys. Karon guys, tama na ang video no. Shout out sa Dennis, shout out to sa mga graduate sa CPC, shout out. Shout out sa karon.
Tapos kay Chito na. Nagkibirong siya anak karon.
Shout out Titibang, lagi slip well na to.
Oh, what's up? Mga kipig-pitok, kung ko cancer kaya bitok sa kutok. Sama.